Hey love, so I'm gonna do a quick intermission in this vlog to talk to you about a company that I love oh so much, and I've talked about them before on my channel, but I'm gonna be talking to you guys about my favorite perfume company, Dossier or Dossier. I don't know, the ER. Oh, you get me. But Dossier was nice enough to send me another perfume. I already have one that I shared in a previous vlog or video. I think it was my morning routine I featured, and that is my favorite perfume right now. They sent me over Fruity Orange because it is the summer and I wanted something fruity. I am definitely a warm scent type of gal, but I want to try something different. It's summertime. I want to be smelling like fruits and all that good stuff. Okay, so basically they tell you all the top, middle, and base notes of the perfume to show you what's most potent and what's not, and the concentration. This one has a concentration of 20, which means that it will last all day. So I'm telling y'all, please get your hands on some Dossier. Just test it out. If you just test it out and you don't like it, you can get a full refund, all that stuff, get your money back, all that good stuff. Okay, hassle free. So here is my coupon code if you want to shop with them, test you out some luxury perfumes, but ain't nobody gonna know. Nobody's gonna know, okay? Period. So here's my coupon code and shop with us. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Samil Jalisa, or you can just call me Samil. But in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I did my own lash extensions. Yeah, y'all, DIY at home lash extensions. Get into it, okay? Save your points. So I'm not a professional at all. I'm not a cosmetologist, I'm not an esthetician, I'm not any of that, okay? I'm just doing my own lashes because I'm just trying to save some coin and I want to look like a baddie at the same time. No, like, there's no more than that to it, like, literally. But I'm gonna show you guys how I did them. This is what they look like. They could be better, but they could be worse, but you know, I did what I could. So that's just what they look like. I like them. I think they're cute. They definitely give my face a little something. So if you want to see how I got my lashes like this, keep watching and let's hop right into the video. Okay, so we're gonna get started. I already did one eye and I'm about to do my left eye, and I just did it because you can see this one in the camera. So the only thing is, like, you know, of course, if you're reading the title and this stuff, this is me doing my lashes for the first time. So I am not a professional at all. I'm not a professional with anything on my channel, okay? I'm not licensed in nothing. I got a degree, but it has nothing to do with any cosmetology or esthetician or, I mean, aesthetics or any of that. So this is just, you know, me just doing what I need to do. I want to do my lashes, so I'm about to attempt to do my lashes. So this is what the first eye turned out to be. Yeah, it's definitely okay. It could be better, but it also could be worse. So I feel like for my first attempt, we're getting somewhere. I like my lashes long and full and dark, so yeah. Even though I'm kind of feeling myself with no lashes, like, honestly, I'm feeling myself with no lashes, but I'm gonna put some lashes on. So I'm gonna hurry up and do this eye, and yeah, let's get into it. So I'm using the Ardell individual lash glue. This is the dark adhesive. You cannot use actual lash glue that they use on actual lash extensions on your eyes because it's gonna burn. That's why you get your lashes done when your eyes are closed. So this is a great alternative. It's so sticky, it works really well. So I advise you to get this glue versus a glue that the lash techs use because your eye is gonna be burning, okay? So this glue is going to be linked in my description box. Just check out my Amazon storefront, it should be on there. But yeah, so I kind of got a bad shot. I don't know why, like, it looked like I was in the frame, but some clips I wasn't, but you can kind of see it. Basically, I was just putting each lash fan underneath my eye, and I wasn't putting it on like my waterline because it's gonna hurt if you do that.
So I was just making fans, and making fans is kind of harder than it looks. Basically, you just pick up a couple lashes and you pinch the bottom, but I didn't show you in the video because it was just too much for me. It was hard, but you just do that and you just put it underneath your eye. You can do it on top, or you can literally isolate the lashes and do it like that. But I was trying to isolate and do it at the bottom, but y'all, this was not as easy as I thought. Okay, this was a little challenging, I'm not gonna lie. The second eye did get easier, so that's that, but it was still hard. I got the fan just to help the glue stick, just to make sure, because sometimes the glue wasn't sticking as well as I would have hoped. So yeah,
I literally am like crying on the inside because I got one of those lashes in my eye, and I knew I was gonna do that, and now I'm like, my eye won't stop watering and I don't know how to get it out because I don't see it. And yeah, so we're at a pause right now because yeah, I got a lash in there. I see it, but I don't know how to get it out. I really don't know what to do right now, so I'll pick the camera back up once my eye just stops being irritated, because I don't know how to get this out of my eye. So yeah, I'll be back.
but yeah, so all you basically see me doing is just fanning out the lashes and putting them underneath my eye. Keep in mind, y'all, like I said, this is my first time, so you know, it's okay if they don't look perfect the first time. It's basically what I just had to tell myself, being a perfectionist. Like, I just had to tell myself, girl, you've been doing this for one day. Relax, chill out. It's not gonna be lash tech quality, okay? So, but I think they still look good, so I'm just gonna keep letting these clips roll. I might pop in later, we'll see. You're just gonna have to watch the video to see, okay? Period. So
Okay, y'all, so these are how they turned out. They're cute, okay? Like, I'm not gonna hate on them. They're cute. Obviously, I'm a perfectionist, so there's a lot that I want to improve on, but this is my first time ever doing lashes, so y'all let me know how I did. Let me know if you do your own lashes at home, if you're a lash tech, any of that type of stuff. Let me know. I know this isn't the same as Lash Tech, like how they do lashes, because my friend's Lash Tech, and baby, I know she don't do it like this. I got it, baby. But if you guys enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We're on the road to 15K, and yeah, see you guys in my next one.